Hi, I'm Chef Carl, Food Whisperer, and today we're going to make a peach Wellington with a Grand Marnier orange sauce. I'm also Chef Carl Food on Instagram, and just want to thank all the service people and all the medical people out there for working so hard during these times. So we'll be right back, and we'll get this party going. Boom.
Chef Carl, Food Whisperer, taking the mystery out of cooking.
Okay, peach Wellington is something I used to make years ago when I worked at a restaurant, and you use a puff pastry. Doesn't matter which kind. I got this at a store called Valley's, but you can get it from Durkee Foods and this and that. And basically, it's dough that's been overwrapped, so when you cook it, it gets flaky and puffs up. When it comes out, you get two pieces like this. So I'm going to cut them into squares. So you take the squares, and you don't want to thaw them out too far ahead of time. Trim off a little excess dough. Put the peach with the dome size down. And believe it or not, that's what it's going to look like. Easy peasy. See, a nice dome. Now the other thing I'm going to try is going to braise cheese. Make a couple nice slices just for something a little bit different. I think I need one more piece. We're going to put the brie cheese down first. Then a peach half. Make sure the peaches are well drained. There you go. Last but not least, peach on top of the brie. Pull in the sides. Make sure it's well sealed because you don't want the brie leaking out. And then, with these here, you can just kind of make some leaves. Put them right on top of the brie. Easy peasy papadini. Okay. Now you don't have to spray these or anything. You're just going to pop them right in the oven. The oven says 350 degrees, but my oven must be different because I'm going at 400 degrees. So now, we're going to pop these right in the oven for about 20-25 minutes till they're brown. So we're going to put these in the oven, 400 degrees. You're going to have to know your oven. Middle rack, top rack, and we'll find out. So I'm going to put them in. Center of the rack, about 20-30 minutes, and that's it. Then we're done. So now we wait. Okay. So now the Wellingtons are almost done, and we're going to make a Grand Marnier sauce with powdered sugar and orange juice. It used to be with, they used to make a Harvey Wallbanger sauce during the day, but I'm going to go with the Grand Marnier. So this is powdered sugar, and this is all by eye. You don't have to measure anything. A little orange juice. And who doesn't like Grand Marnier, right? Okay. We're just going to stir it and get it blended. And you can make this ahead of time. You make it as thick or thin as you want. It's amazing how much powdered sugar it'll absorb. It should be about enough. There we go. Just want it a little bit thicker. And this sauce will last a month in the refrigerator, although I'm sure you'll figure out ways of using it. Alright, it's been about 35 minutes in the oven. Want to see how they're looking? Oh, nice and brown. So now, so we have 2 peaches, and then we have the brie and peaches. Wow, that's hot. That's nice. Ooh. Ooh. You glaze them. And then you finish it off with a little caramel. And like I said, this is a dessert. You can have this with wine. Decorate it how you want. And there you have it. peach Wellingtons, peach Wellington and Brie. So till next time, next week, I say bye-bye. Don't forget to go to our site, Chef Carl Food Whisperer, subscribe, leave a message, and enjoy life.